Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring different methods of research. Research methods are the systematic approaches and techniques used to gather and analyze data in order to answer research questions and investigate phenomena. Let's dive into some of the commonly used research methods. The first method we'll discuss is the experimental method. This method is based on logic, objectivity, systematic procedures, and controlled investigations. In experimental research, variables are carefully controlled, allowing researchers to establish cause and effect relationships. This method is often conducted in laboratory settings, where standardized tests and procedures are employed. The observation method involves viewing and recording the actions or behaviors of participants. This method is typically conducted in natural settings and surroundings, allowing researchers to gain insights into what and how participants behave. It focuses on describing and documenting behaviors rather than explaining the underlying reasons or motivations. Variables in the observation method cannot be manipulated or controlled and are not influenced by the researcher. The survey method involves the collection of data from a selected group of respondents. Surveys can be conducted in various ways, including cross-sectional or longitudinal designs. Data can be collected through various means such as post, telephone, ICT, information and communication technology, or direct interaction. Surveys allow researchers to gather information on a wide range of topics and obtain insights from a larger sample size. The case study method involves conducting in-depth or detailed studies on individuals or groups. It is a qualitative research method that focuses on obtaining rich, undetailed information about a specific case. Case studies provide a deep understanding of complex phenomena and allow researchers to explore the intricacies of a particular situation. Unlike other methods, the primary goal of case studies is not to determine cause and effect relationships but to provide detailed insights. And that concludes our exploration of different research methods. Each method has its own strengths and applications, depending on the research objectives and the nature of the research question. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.